As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm trying to decide between the Weber Q1000 and the Q2200. Both propane grills, right?
Yeah, both Webers, so you know they're decent. What are you planning to use it for? That might help narrow it down.
Mostly for camping and maybe quick weeknight dinners. Portability is kinda important.
Okay, that's good to know. The Q1000 is definitely smaller and lighter, only about 27.5 pounds. The Q2200 is a chunkier 42.5 pounds, so if you're lugging it around a lot, the 1000 wins there.
Good point. What about cooking space? I don't want to be stuck doing burgers one at a time.
The Q2200 has a larger cooking area, 280 square inches, compared to the Q1000's 189. That's a pretty significant difference. You could definitely cook more at once on the 2200.
That's tempting. But is it worth the extra weight? What about power?
The Q2200 also packs more heat, putting out 12,000 BTUs compared to the Q1000's 8,500. So it'll probably heat up faster and get hotter.
Okay, so bigger cooking area and more powerful. What about features? Any difference there?
Yeah. The Q2200 has folding side tables, which are super handy for prepping food or holding your tongs. It also has an electronic ignition and a built-in thermometer, which the Q1000 lacks. The 1000 just has push-button ignition.
A thermometer is nice, I guess. Are the grates the same?
Both have porcelain enameled cast iron grates, so that's a tie. Easy to clean, and they hold heat well.
Right. What about fuel? They both use those disposable propane canisters, right?
Yep, both use the small disposable cylinders, but you can get an adapter hose for both to hook them up to a larger 20-pound tank if you want.
Okay, so basically the Q2200 is bigger, more powerful, and has extra features like side tables and a thermometer, but it's also heavier. The Q1000 is simpler and more portable.
Exactly. It really comes down to what you value more, convenience and portability, or cooking space and features.
Okay, I think I have a better idea now. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.